Welcome to this Delft Stack tutorial video. In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to take a screenshot or snapshot in VLC Media Player. Whether you want to capture a favorite scene from a movie, save an important frame from a video, or just create a quick reference, this simple step-by-step guide will walk you through everything you need to know. First, open your VLC Media Player and play the video from which you want to take a screenshot. Once your video is playing, look at the top menu bar and click on the option labeled Video. Make sure to follow along carefully so you don't miss any important details. Next, in the video menu, click on Take Snapshot. You'll notice the screen flickers briefly. That means your snapshot has been taken. VLC will automatically save the screenshot in your default Pictures folder. Or you can check the location by going to Tools, then Preferences, and finally Video to see where your snapshots are stored. Follow the on-screen instructions carefully. They're designed to be simple and user-friendly. To make the process smoother, here are a few quick tips. Make sure your video is paused at the exact frame you want to capture, and adjust the video quality if necessary to ensure your snapshot looks sharp. Doing this beforehand can save time and prevent blurry or low-resolution images. Once you've taken your snapshot, you can open it from your Pictures folder, share it, or use it however you like. It's also a good idea to organize your snapshots in folders so you can easily find them later. And that's all there is to it. By following these simple steps, you'll be able to take screenshots in VLC Media Player quickly and easily. Thanks for watching this Delft Stack tutorial video. If you found this helpful, feel free to share it with someone who might need it.